Hello guys, I hope everyone is okay. I am going to review TCL 40 inch TV FHD QLED. Last year I bought Toshiba 43 inch but it's damaged now. So I bought another TV for myself. It's not promotion or promotion. I'm not promoting. It's not promotional video. I just bought it for myself and I would like to share with my viewers and subscriber. So I just bought it for myself and I'm going to review for you subscribers. So let's see what is inside the box. And I bought it online around 179 pounds. This one is 40 inch smart TV, Wi-Fi and HD10 and also Bluetooth, Android and AirPlay, Amazon Fire TV TCL. So let's unbox guys. Worldwide Olympic partner as well, 48 FHD QLED and TCL Fire TV guys, HDR10 and metallic bezel-less Dolby Audio DTS HD, Apple AirPlay, also press and ask Alexa voice assistant. So let's unbox guys and see what is inside the box. So first of all, two legs guys. What is this? UK plug, power cable, some booklet, guys, all the information in booklet, and some nuts, TCS stickers, a remote control with voice assistant and also two batteries. So on remote control also voice control, setting, live, record, Netflix, freely TV apps, home button, volume, power button, power off and exit. Remote control quality look okay, good quality remote. Wow, it's very smart TV guys. Nothing else in the box, empty. I am going to review hardware, ports and software. So power cable port, HDMI port, two antenna ports and also USB port, and back side all metal body, Dolby sound and FHD screen. So let's fix the legs guys, two legs. I am going to fix the legs and power on and show you the software, sound quality and video picture quality. going to set up, guys. I'm choosing the internet, and connection is done, guys. So checking for update. Your Amazon account, new to Amazon. So new to Amazon, so let's create account. All done, guys. Lot of app available on App Store. You can see BBC iPlayer, Netflix, YouTube, iText4, lot of TV shows, and also you can download from different app store available, Prime Video available, YouTube, and you can download the app from the App Store. More app available, live channel, home, Netflix, app library. So you can download, guys, from install on TV, not install on. Also you can download from the Play Store, guys. Play Store should be here somewhere. Get more app, and you can download any app from the Play Store. Lot of app available. And download it. I'm using this voice assistant, guys. Hello Alexa, can you open YouTube, please? YouTube. So let's play something from my channel and see the quality of the video. Sound. Guys, very proper
सेंट्रल पार्क वहाँ जाएंगे, वहाँ को
Sound.
दिखाएंगे और आपको ये विलेज भी दिखाते हैं. इसके बाद डोंटी विलेज है, वहाँ जाएंगे, वॉकिंग एरिया है, वो भी आपको दिखाएंगे. तो चलते हैं यहाँ पे जो पार्क है उसकी तरफ चलते हैं. ये देखिए जी, यहाँ से सारा विलेज नजर आता है. वो पीछे विल्सटन है, हार्डन विलेज है.
I hope you enjoy the TCL 14 TV review. Thank you so much, guys, and have a lovely evening. Take care. Bye.
उसके पास बैठ के ऐसा